Chapter 12, Part 3. Here we're going to look at some conjunctions. We're going to look at conjunctions that require the subjunctive and conjunctions that don't require the subjunctive. So let's start looking at the ones that require the subjunctive. Now, again, it's not important that you really remembered, does this require the subjunctive or not? But it's important that you know what these conjunctions are and how to translate them because they're really common. So here we have moins que, and this means unless that. Now note there's a typo in the book and you might want to go and fix that there. Sans que is without that. Afin que is in order that. De sorte que is in such a way so that. Pourvu que, provided that. Supposé que is supposing that. Bien que is although, and then quoique, notice how it's just one word, also means although. Now this quoique is important that you memorize it because later we're going to have quoique with two words and it's going to mean something just as abstract as although, but something very different. So these are all just like really vague words, but you need to be able to recognize them because you can see that, yeah, they're pretty common type expressions, conjunctions. Now, here's some conjunctions that use the indicative afterwards. And again, you want to be able to recognize these, so you just need to memorize them. You don't have to memorize that they require the indicative. Après que means after. Parce que means because. Pendant que means while in a temporal sense. Tandis que means while in a logical sense, or whereas. Ooh, I'm thinking, is whereas one word? Ooh, good question. Puisque means since. Ainsi que means like that, just as, or in the same way. And au cas où means just in case. That's an interesting one because it requires the conditional tense afterwards, which we haven't covered yet. And so we won't look at that one right yet, but it fits into this general category, au cas où, in the case of just in case there. So now we have this forms a story. So after you've translated them all, smooth it out. And then when you've written it all down, you can go and check it with the next video.